Peace, Power, and Protection Tribe. It's today, Sunday, June 14th, and our Schumann resonance is high. You enter and overstand the K index is a 4.7, and we had a B6 solar flare. Very interesting that the Schumann resonance is like whited out right now. Hold up. So this right here is showing the 13th into the 14th right now. Look at it. Booyah. Booyah. All right. The sun coming for ya. Which sun? That's the question. That's just a B. Solar flare. So where is coming from? Maybe they saying we getting hit with what came off of there recently. I don't know. But y'all stay hydrated, spiritually protected. Peace and love. Peace and love.